Hello, everybody. It's your girl, Alley Cat. I'm back again. Okay, before I start this video, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on, you guys. And don't forget to share this video, you guys. And so we're gonna get into this video today. I know that this weekend, well, actually Friday, is Valentine's. So you guys, I'm going to head out to the hair store and grab a few things so I can start on the video. So I decided I wanted to take you guys with me and grab a few things. So how each and every one of y'all doing? I really hope that each and every one of y'all are having a wonderful, 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 wonderful Tuesday. It's nice out here. So I'm on the way to go to the hair store. Yes. Guys, I am loving my wrap that I have on today. The wrap and everything is, oh girl, check me out. I'm loving these glasses too, you guys. I'm loving it. So, we're on our way there and I'm just getting things together. So, a minute to get there. Then I jump on the highway. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! All right, you guys. So, I'll be right back once I get to the hair store. All right. Okay, you guys. So, I went into the hair store and I got my stuff. And of course, the lady in there started complaining. She's like, oh, you're not supposed to have this in here. Nobody's supposed to be videoing in here. And you need to turn that off. I'm like, okay. You know, I'm not trying to start no problem. So, you guys, couldn't record everything that was going on. But just want to let you guys know that I did buy the things that I needed. And once I get in the house, I will start back recording. I am technically driving right now. So, just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. Yeah. Just wanted to take y'all in and let y'all go on this little journey with me to find some things that I wanted to add to my hair. Unfortunately, that didn't work. So, once I get to the house and get everything settled, then I will be back on. Just wanted to update y'all on that. Okay. So, I'll be back once I get home. Okay, you guys. I am back and I'm at home. So now I'm gonna use this towel. So I got Equal Styling Gel that I actually picked up, and I have leave-in conditioner from Cantu, shea butter, and it's for repair. It's a repair cream. I'm gonna actually be using that, and I'm gonna also use Sulfur Aid grease, which is the original Formula One. Okay, this is how it looks. And I have a hair cutting comb. I'm only going to use a small end. I have 2 rat tail combs as well, and I have a detangler brush that I will be using as well, and I have butterfly clips and a toothbrush to use to do my edges. Okay, so that's pretty much all I need. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into it. And I'm gonna be sipping on my tea along the way. Yeah. All right. Okay, so my hair is already shampoo, conditioning, dried already. I just wore my wrap out. Yes. Right, so let me put the towel on my back. Like this for right now. And remove my earrings. And I have a mirror as well. Okay, let's scoot up to the table real quick. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is basically part my hair from one side to the next. Guys, I'm using my finger to twist my hair, and I'm also using a comb. So I start off with the comb and then I'll twist it all the way down with my finger. So now just moisturizing my hair with the Cantu leave-in conditioner repair. And I'm using just a little bit of the Equal Style gel and using a detangler brush. And now I'm going to section it out And sometimes I just use just my finger and twist it as well. Or I will start it off with the comb and then I'll twist the rest with my fingers. Actually coming out pretty good, you guys. I really like it. At the end, sometimes it still gives me a little hard time because it gets knot up again, so I have to detangle it again. As you can see, ain't got that much to go, you guys, and it's looking really good. Now, as I was going all the way around doing my whole entire head, I basically section out and make squares. As I get to the front, I break it into small sections, a smaller section than it was in the back. Alright, you guys, I am done and I am loving it. I'm gonna tie it up and I gotta do my sides. Use a toothbrush to kind of get my sideburns the way I want them. So I am done. I really like it. Everything came out pretty good. I'm just gonna give y'all, I am loving this. So these are my coils, and I'm actually use my comb, and sometimes I use my fingers and the comb sometimes. And if you like what you see, you guys, don't forget to drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, you guys. Till next time. Bye.